Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Patrick. Today I'm going to show you how you can install Linux Mint on your desktop. Alright, so a lot of people asking me what is your operating system on your notebook. It looks so different. So I'm going to go through with you that how to install this great operating system. To me, Linux Mint is the best operating system for me. Right? So this is the best one. So I have tried many of the Linux distribution. I end up to use this Linux Mint. So let's get started. Okay. First of all, you need to download one or two software, depending on how you want to install it. So today I'm going to use VirtualBox. So it's going to be on CD-ROM. If you are going to install it on a totally new PC, then you might need, USB drive, and your pen drive, or a CD-ROM, either one. If the new PC does not have a CD-ROM, right? A lot of PC now or notebook now don't have CD-ROM. Okay, so why not we go to download? I'm going to download this one. Okay, all right, so there are three versions. Okay, the one that I'm using is Cinnamon. Okay, Cinnamon. So this tool is lighter, right? I think it's better for older PC. Okay, Cinnamon is a little bit heavier, but it is good for, it looks better, right? It looks better and it's more user friendly on newer PC. Okay, let's download it. Okay, there are a lot of mirror that you can find over here. Plenty of them. Find the nearest to you. Or if you are lazy to find a nearest mirror, just click the US. Alright, normally it's going faster. Okay, so it's supporting only 64-bit, no more 32-bit. Okay, so that will take 12 minutes. I'll come back later. Okay, while the CD-ROM is getting downloaded, you might need another software. We call it Australia, Banana Etcher. This is actually to flash the ISO files that you download from Linux Mint into USB drives, right? Or USB card, even SD card. Right? So actually, I have a copy on Linux already, so you can download Windows. You can select Windows, download. So you can select Windows 64-bit. Okay, installer. So you will download Windows 1. Otherwise, you can go ahead with other version or other platform, even Mac OS. Okay, so I have a copy over here. Let me open up. But I've downloaded the app image, app images. So this is the one. Okay, so let's start the software. See how it looks like this. Okay, so only 3 steps. Select image, select where do you want to burn that image or flash that image, and just flash. Okay, after flash, the USB drive can be booted on any PC that support booting from USB. So you don't have to burn any CD. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to use VirtualBox as a way to show you. So I don't really need this software, right? I just this is for additional. So you have to follow me until the end of the tutorial to see the whole process. Please stay until the end. Alright, thank you. I'll come back later after the download is completed. Okay, the download is completed. Right, this is the file, and okay, this is the file. This is the ISO image that we have just downloaded. Okay, let's see what we can do to this file. Okay, so if you are going to boot from a USB drive, so you need to use this image to burn into the or flash into the USB drive. Otherwise, you have to burn this into a CD-ROM. Okay, to put it from CD-ROM. But right now I'm going to use VirtualBox. Right, so VirtualBox, I don't have to do anything except that when I create a new machine, okay, I need to bind this, mount this CD-ROM. So I will choose Linux. I will choose. This should be a UB2, alright? Or you just type it. You will select automatically for you. Alright. So this is the name. It will select automatically for you. Okay. So for your information, Linux Mint is actually based on Ubuntu. So this is the RAM that we are going to allocate for this VirtualBox. Right, for this VirtualBox. So next. So create a virtual disk. Yes, great. Alright. So image. Next. So this is a disk space that you should allocate for your VirtualBox for this Linux Mint. Alright, create it. Okay. So actually I have created one over here, but I'm going to show you how you can actually set it up on a new PC. It's actually most of the settings are the same. Alright. So what you need to do is I need to add this. Sorry. Okay, this is the ISO that I need to add in. Okay, choose. Alright, this is the one. Okay, so this is the CD-ROM. Click OK, and then you can start. Okay, yes, I said for Linux Mint, you have to select this one and start. Okay, so you can start the Linux Mint. Okay, so actually this is only for installation. Yeah, you can't use this CD-ROM that you burn or flash into a pen drive for daily use. No, you can't. Okay, you have to install it before you can use it. All right, this is only for testing. Even if you are successfully putting up, right? This is for testing or for installation. All right, the CD-ROM or the pen drive that you have just burned. Okay, okay, complete. All right, so there's an icon over here, install. Okay, even if you boot on a new PC, you will still have this icon. Okay, it's very friendly now. Linux is a lot of difference from 10 years ago, maybe, or even 5 years ago. It has become so user friendly. Okay, the installation is more like Windows installation. Okay, it's very friendly now. Continue. See, it's graphical. Alright, the installation is graphical. You don't have to worry about this. Continue. Alright. Especially you are installing on a new PC. So this one of course you want, right? Continue. Alright. Okay, this is the part that most people is scared of. Okay, so normally if this is a new PC, new PC, then it's going to erase this install Linux Mint. Okay, so install it now. Okay, install now. Continue. Alright. Okay, choose your time zone. Continue. I will say select Kuala Lumpur lah, because I'm Malaysian. Okay, just enter your name. Okay, log in automatically. So maybe you type a password, or you want to encrypt it. Depends on you lah. Okay, continue. Okay, this will take some time. Why not I show you? I'll just close this VirtualBox. Right, you just have to wait, and it will complete the whole thing. Alright, it will complete the whole thing. Why not I just power it off? I show you the one that already installed. Okay. Hold on, Okay, that's it. See, this is a final product. It looks exactly like mine, right? This is the host. This is the guest, right? This is the guest OS. So I have 2 Linux Mint on my notebook. Alright. So after you install it, of course you can customize it. So you can do a lot of customization. You have to go through every single one of these settings. Alright, settings is all over here. Right, a lot of settings that you have to go through. Okay, before you can have a desktop, something like mine. Okay. So alright, today's sharing is until here. Okay, like my video, smash the like button, share my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Alright, remember to turn on all the notifications. Alright, see you then. Bye bye.